Spokesperson and senior leader of Kuki National Organization KNO, Sailin Haukip, has reprimanded state government for abrogating suspension of operation Pact and asserted that state government, by unilaterally withdrawing the tripartite pact, is against peace. In an exclusive interview to The Hindu, Sailin Haukip further revealed that Union Home Ministry is yet to list and convey violations of ground rules committed by Kuki Zo insurgent groups. He said that the tripartite agreement that was signed between the Manipur government, the Home Ministry and the Kuki insurgent groups in 2008 is under review following the refusal of state government to extend the pact in February. Sailin Haukip stated that the real reasons for reviewing the ground rules had not been revealed to them, adding that there is no mechanism to deal with the ground rule violations. While asserting that state government should be a party to the SU agreement, Sailin Haukip maintained that SU is for peace, and by unilaterally abrogating the pact, the state government is acting against peace. He also reiterated that the demand for union territory with legislature by Kuki Zo Mar community is a valid demand which is within the framework of the constitution.